we did see the slowest year-over-year growth since September 2021. On a monthly basis, the core rate beat and grew faster than expected.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chauvin and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. We predicted this, guys. We predicted the fall of the banks. We predicted Tonic showing its utility. And why is it moving to the upside? When the banks fail, the new bank, we are the bank, Tectonic rises. Guys, we predicted this on this channel, and you guys that stuck around predicted it also. You know, people in the community, the Tonic community, you guys are champs. You guys are stars and legends, and I see further upside in the future. I see a lot of further upside in the future. The CPI data came in lower than expected. The Fed has a lot more wiggle room. There's banks calling for the Fed to pause rate hikes and eventually cut them, which means reducing the rate hikes. And that just means the stock market's gonna break out, Bitcoin, Crow, and Tonic. And you know, and this only means that we should continue to be bullish in the future. And you know, I trust the Tonic team to keep developing, keep pushing forward. You know, NFT staking just got released, and I expect them to do much more partnerships, much more delivery on things. But the DeFi aspects and utility of Tonic are there, and who knows what could happen as far as mass adoption for the project in the future. We're gonna check out some interesting information that I found, and you know, I have on my Twitter page, guys. If you're interested in this content, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. Leave a super comment, super thanks, or become a channel member to support the channel even further for, you know, future updates and shout outs in my videos. Right here, guys, I found a post from Kathy Leon, 90k followers, on their take on the CPI data and why they think it's going to be 25 basis points in March. Now, like I said, it's a perfect storm. There's just a bunch of good news that is happening in the overall markets, and we're getting less and less bearish. So now we're having more and more buyers stepping into the space, and that's why we're seeing, you know, an uptrend in Tonic. That's why we saw that bounce from the bottom for Tonic. And like I said, you see Tonic's price was sitting at $10 million in market cap. I don't think we're gonna ever go back to 10 million. If you didn't get that 10 million entry point, this is, and you're looking to get into Tonic, this is gonna be as best a time as any, right? Around that $20 million range, okay? Because I really do believe the bottom was in around December. All the alts I look at, because I'm not just looking at Tonic and Crow. I look at other alts in my spare time. I trade on KuCoin. I do spot trades, right? Not much leverage, but majority of the alts are up 2x to 3x to 10x from the bottom, right? In December, majority of the alts. And I don't think we're gonna go back down that low, right? Even if we do, though, you DCA, you diamond hand, wait for the bull. But let's check this video out.
Hi everyone, Kathy here. I just dropped my son off at the school bus. We had US CPI number came out, and it was mixed. You know, for the most part, the US dollar rebounded off of the report, because even though we did see the slowest year-over-year growth since September 2021, on a monthly basis, the core rate beat and grew faster than expected. So that basically confirms that the Fed is going to move, or says the Fed needs to move 25 basis points at the end of the month with a rate hike, and that, you know, they can't stand pat despite the
right there, guys. They have to move at 25 basis points because they can't stand pat despite the banking crisis. If they keep pushing the rate hikes 50 basis points, 50, more and more banks will collapse. It's built on a house of cards, guys. So they can't afford that chance. They're gonna eventually raise maybe one more time, a few, maybe, I don't know how many more times, but they're not gonna raise too high. 25, one more time, couple more times, we'll see. But a pause is about to happen. After everything I've researched, everything I've shown you guys, a pause is imminent. or else the banks will continue to collapse, right? It's gonna be good for crypto if the banks collapse, but you know, that's gonna be crazy for the economy and a lot of people. The honest, like I said, there are people making an honest living. So the Fed will do everything in their power to avoid that, and this is why Kathy thinks we have a 25 BPS hike incoming.
Banking crisis. So we're going to see that be the main story of the markets today. Good luck trading. I'll be back trading tonight.
Right there. So that's going to be great. More bullish news. It's like I said, it's a perfect storm. From blockchain apes, 3 bank failures so far, the party goes on. And then the stock market with these bank failures are breaking out. Bitcoin is breaking out. Tonic is breaking out. And from Tonic chart alerts, nice account showing like anytime there's a move up in Tonic's price. Tectonians, big Tonic can't be stopped. We keep climbing. Make sure to add your bag daily. DCA, diamond hand. Wait for the bullet. One interesting chart right here from 8 Saka Trades. This isn't some obscure on-chain crap coin with 500k in liquidity that just got rugged. This is a US bank with $65 billion in assets. This is insane to think about, guys. You know, this is no laughing matter, man. Like, what? Like, I'm telling you, the only way I feel like I think this could be fixed is through crypto, is through digital assets. Crow, Tonic, right? Bitcoin, Crow, Tonic, DeFi, VVS. This is the only alternative I could see for what is happening. This is the only alternative, and I know a lot of people are scared, man. They are thinking to themselves, what if my bank collapses? What do I do? Where will be my safe haven? I really do believe digital assets, Crow, Tonic will be that safe haven. From unusual whales, JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and other large financial institutions are being inundated with requests from customers trying to transfer funds from smaller lenders. This is what I'm saying. People are scared. They're thinking, yo, what if this happens to my bank, that bank, my bank? So a lot of people are moving to the bigger banks, but even the bigger, I even think these bigger banks like the JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, these could collapse as well. You never know. You really never know. And right here we see that the stock market is super bullish, and the crypto market, Tonic, look at this, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is bullish, everything is breaking out. See Tonic following Bitcoin, breaking out to the upside. All of us as the Crow and Tonic fam, we should be happy right now because there's a lot of bullish things that are taking place, and I really do believe it will continue. And we'll just, you know, keep an eye out on everything, because you never know, man. But in my opinion, the bottom was already in December, and then we're gonna have moves to the upside with minor corrections until we have that big slingshot explosion. And of course, Tonic's utilities will shine with these systems, the previous financial systems that are collapsing, which helps Tonic even further, Crow even further. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, really appreciate the support. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future content. Become a channel member, support the channel further, and also leave a super comment, super thanks, because it really helps out. I'll always shout out any channel member, super comment, super thanks, give you guys early access to videos as well. So yeah, keep supporting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.